Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to Sileo in another episode. That was the moment after our defeat against Spain at the World Cup. I was already emotional, but what saddened me the most was our media criticizing our players, saying that individual talent don't make a team like Spain. After that, I was on my way for some comfort food for lunch that I saw on a commercial during the post-interview of Shirky. In victory, there is nothing to analyze, winner just win. But in defeat, they will have so much angles to publish many articles. So, by amplifying our loss and division, who is actually winning now? At this point, only my subscribers know that I'm going at pizza company in Jomtien because that's the same road to go there from one of my latest episodes. What I love about living in Thailand is having the opportunity to discover dishes from all Asian countries. And what's trending right now is the long Korean pizza that just arrived in Pattaya. We almost arrived. So from the Bali Pier, pizza company Jomtien is right there. So let's go. I share with y'all their menu already. That was just their novelty. So there you go, there is no differences in taste, only this new format. So that was it. I let y'all enjoy the scenery. I hope that y'all like this content just like I did making it. Thank you for watching entirely. Shout out to all of my subscribers for your likes, your comments and your shares. Have a good one. Peace. I'm out.